Hi everybody, welcome to my JavaScript course. From today we start JavaScript lessons from zero. Without further ado, let's get started. First lesson I'm going to show how can I download Visual Studio Code because we will write JavaScript codes in Visual Studio Code. To download Visual Studio Code we have to write download Visual Studio Code in Google. Open the some browsers and download Visual Studio Code and click the enter button, download Visual Studio Code, and later you can download this for Windows and for Linux and for macOS. I'm going to download these. I click here and finally Visual Studio Code starts downloading. I stop this. I have Visual Studio Code and I double click here. This is Visual Studio Code. I click here and open the folder. We need any folder. I click this folder, open, and we need two files, HTML and JavaScript file. I have to give some name to HTML file. For example, index HTML, and we need HTML codes, and I need JavaScript file, index.js. We need some code line, for example script.js, script source attribute, and /index.js. And let's write first code. Hello world. We need log, console log, hello world, and you need go live server, and click here, live server, and download this, install, uninstall, and install again, and later index.js. So click the go live and you can show first code in console log. We need console log. After loading the right mouse button, click here, inspect element and console. You can show hello world text. That's all. See you next lesson.